All right, guys, so we're about to make a Chick-fil-A inspired spicy chicken deluxe sandwich at home. All right, it's real crispy and good. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So we got oil, some Creole seasoning, some Dano's spicy seasoning, a little salt if you need it, and then the Zatarain's hot and spicy chicken fry mix. You can get that right out the store. So I'm going to go ahead and split my chicken breast. Now, these chicken breasts have been cleaned with lemon juice, a little vinegar, and some salt. And that just kind of helps to tenderize the chicken and, get all that slime off of it, whatever. So we're splitting it in half, and then we're going to put it in some plastic. I got some plastic wrap, and I'm just using my mallet to get that thing nice and flat and thin, so they'll be perfect for a sandwich. So after that, we're going to season the breasts with the seasoning I showed you, the Cajun, the Dano's spicy. If spicy is not your thing, you can use the regular Dano's, and just a little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt because we're also going to put this in a little bit of a wet batter and the dry, and that's already seasoned. So just a little bit of salt and those seasonings, which is good for a little flavor, but also the color. So that's what it should look like after they're seasoned. And this is 1/3 cup of the fry mix with a 1/2 cup of water. That's exactly how you do it, as it says on the box. So then it says one at a time, but I went ahead and just put all my chicken into the wet mixture. So I'm putting the chicken in the mixture, and I'm just making sure it's all evenly coated, and I just let it sit for a second. So I'm just using some more of that fry seasoning. This is going to be the dry that you're going to dip your chicken in. So here's the chicken that has been sitting in the wet mixture, and now I'm just going to bread it with the rest of that breading. So we just want to make sure it's evenly coated. And then after you bread your chicken, you just want to let it sit for a second so that coating can adhere to the chicken. So it's really good and crispy, and it's just gonna be better. So let it sit for a second before you throw it in the oil. So now I'm heating up my oil. I'm just turning that around real quick so y'all can see I'm putting about 1 quart of oil into the pan. So go ahead and drop your chicken. Like I said, they've been sitting, so you can see that coating is on there really nice. And we're just gonna fry the chicken between 6 to 8 minutes per side, depending on how crispy you like it. I like my chicken fried hard, so I cooked it for about 12 minutes total. But again, make sure your chicken is cooked. That's why cleaning your chicken is important sometimes, because that helps with the cooking time. It makes it just go by a little bit faster. So as you can see, it's been cooking. I like to stab it a couple times right at the end just to make sure I don't see any blood coming out. And you see me flipping it. And yeah, you definitely want to flip your chicken a couple times. Don't let it sit because it can burn. So as you can see, that is the color that I like. Nice and brown. And you can see that crisp coming from the darn screen. It's good. So take it off, put it on some paper towel, and let that thing drain. So I know this is a Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwich. I don't have any pepper jack. This is white American. We got some lettuce. This is a brioche bun. I got it right out of Walmart. And we're putting the tomatoes on there. There's a little bit of mayonnaise. I did butter my buns, toasted them up a little bit. And there goes the top bun, and that's it. It is delicious, y'all. You need to try it. Try it.